I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you how to do the 30-ounce stainless steel tumbler with a slide top.
Stay tuned. Okay, so today we are going to transfer to our 30-ounce stainless steel tumbler. It does have a lid and it does slide for opening and drinking. So let's get started.
All right, we're going to do our design and our print from Photoshop using the F570. Okay, we've got our print here and I've already trimmed it up a little bit. And we're gonna apply it on here with thermal tape. And teamwork. And this will fit snugly in our 4-in-1 press.
Okay, and today we are using our BJ870 heat press. It's a 4-in-1 mug press. We are using our 11-ounce and 15-ounce element. It is the larger element, so it is a snug fit, and we are not closing it because it's such a snug fit, but you do have the option of using a heat shrink bag and then going in the oven.
And we are pressing at 330 degrees for 220 seconds. Okay, we'll slide that out and remove your transfer immediately. And there you go.
You now have one personalized tumbler, and it does fit perfect in your car slot in your car. We do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, so be sure to check those out, and don't forget to like and subscribe.